We here at West-MEC are so excited that you've chosen to apply to be in our Project Search program. The application process should take approximately 15 minutes to complete. If you have services through Vocational Rehabilitation, VR, or the Department of Developmental Disabilities, DDD, you will need the contact information for your counselor or case manager during the application process. If you've already been one of our top students, stop the application process now and complete the alternative application by emailing shelley.tom@westmec.org. For all of our other applicants who are new to West-MEC, you're in the right place. To start the application process, visit the link on your screen. Scroll down the page until you see this chart. Make sure you meet the requirements, including being a student with a disability that is a barrier to employment, must be between 18 and 28 years of age, and will attend as a graduated high school student. Next, scroll down the application to the Applications for New Student box and fill out your basic information. For the drop-down that says Form Type, select Project Search Application. When you're done, click on the green button that says Begin Application. On the next page, select the upcoming academic year for which you'll be attending the program, and then select Next Page. On this page, enter your information again. When you scroll down, be sure not to leave any drop-downs as NA. You won't be able to move forward if you do. When you get to the high school drop-down, if you've already graduated, type Young Adult in the search bar to select this option. For grade level, select 12 and then answer Yes on the next drop-down. Once you're done with this page, select the blue button, Next Page. Now enter your address and phone information. Then select the two boxes to agree to text messages and phone calls from West-MEC. Click the green Save Address button. Answer the final question on the page before clicking Next Page. The next section will be where you enter your parents' or guardian's information. You will need to check the boxes to grant the permissions indicated. Enter your parents' or guardian's email, different from your own. For contact priority, type in the number 1. Enter your parent, guardian's phone numbers, different from your own, and then again, check boxes for permission. Click the blue Next Page button. On the next page, you will fill out if you have vocational rehabilitation or the Department of Developmental Disability Services. Once you're done with this page, you guessed it, hit the blue Next Page button. Once you see this page, go ahead and click the green Submit and Finish button, and that's it. Congratulations on finishing the Project Search application. Please check your email for verification of your submitted application. On the application verification form, you will find a QR code. Please scan this code to schedule your mandatory Project Search interview. Again, we are thrilled for you to apply to our Project Search program here at West-MEC, where you will grow and gain skills not just professionally, but personally as well.